Alsabila from SDIT Mutiara Azzam. I am 5th grade student. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the lion and the mouse. Have you heard about this story before? Okay, now please listen to my story. The lion roared and the mouse tick 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 tick. Once upon a time, in the big grand forest, there lived a mighty lion. He was the king of the animals, and everyone respected him. One sunny day, while the lion was taking a nap under a shady tree, a little mouse went by. The mouse was so small that he didn't see the lion lying there. Suddenly, the mouse accidentally ran over the lion's nest. The lion woke up with a loud roar. Who dares to disturb my peace? He thundered. Little mouse was so scared and started to tremble. Oh, lion, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up. Please don't leave me, begged the mouse. The lion looked at the tiny mouse and laughed. Let me go. When you are eating, you can go, he said, and he let the mouse go free. The mouse was very grateful. Thank you, kind lion. One day I will help you too, said the mouse with a big smile. The lion just shook his head and thought, how can such a tiny critter help me? Days went by, and the lion was roaming the forest. Suddenly, he got caught in the hunter's net. The lion struggled to escape, but the more he fought, the tighter the net became. He roared for help, but no one could hear him. Then the little mouse heard the lion's roar. He quickly ran to the sun and found the lion trapped in the net. Tick, 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 tick. Don't worry, lion, I will help you, said the mouse bravely. The lion was surprised. But you're so small, how can you help me? He asked. The mouse didn't listen. He started to chew on the rope of the net with his sharp little teeth. He chewed and chewed until finally, tick, 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 the ropes broke. The lion was free at last. Thank you, you said the lion. His eyes were with amazement. You saved my life! The mouse smiled and replied, you see, even the smallest critter can help the biggest one. Friends can come in all sizes. From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends. They learned that kindness and friendship are powerful, no matter how big or small you are. And they live happily ever after in the beautiful forest. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moral of the story is, even though we may be different, we can still be friends. And even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. Well, that's all the story about the lion and the mouse. Hopefully, we can learn a lesson from the story. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. Wassalamualaikum.